Okay everyone, I wanted to demonstrate the Kink Clear. I know I've been posting videos on how to actually apply it, but I need to show you how strong it is. So this is an actual oxygen line that my husband uses. I don't know if you guys can hear the buzzing in the background. He uses oxygen. So the regular tubing for oxygen and nebulizers, you can easily bend it, it crimps, it gets stuck in the door, you smash it, people step on it. This is an area of the tubing that kept crimping. I applied the Kink Clear, and as you can see, it doesn't bend that easily. It's very thick. It does move with the line, but you can't crush it. It's very thick. I don't know if you can see how thick that tubing is. Sorry for my ugly hands. Those are the hands of a caretaker. But as I was saying, this has worked wonders in our home. We use them ourselves. Just to give you an idea,